Okay, welcome back, guys. So in this video, we are going to be seeing how to create a layout plan. And like I told you, let's say this is our mini site. Like this is an estate. So we want to create a layout. So just say, okay, let's say this is the entrance to the estate here. So offset 12,000. So I'm having this. So I'm gonna offset here and say, okay, let's say my plot size is 30 by 15. So on that note, I'm gonna be having offset. Let's okay, let's have 30,000. So that's one block. Okay, this other side also 30,000. And now let's see. Let's create our plot and say okay, our plot size is um what are we going to do here? Let's see. So offset 15,000. So let's have this like let's extend this. So now since this is going to be small, let's do it like this. Move. So let's just say okay, this is the other thing. Now, since this is a mini estate, I feel the road is too wide because of the fact that the land is small. So let's just create something like this and say, okay, let's make the road 9,000 instead. That's 9 meters. So let's move this so that there will be space. Okay, move. Let's bring this down here. It's okay. So let's see offsets 15,000. I remember this is just a dummy project. Okay, let's remember. Let's not take it too seriously. So let's see. So that's on that. So let's create the part one. So okay, this is the road offset from here is 15 meters. So okay, so let's create another pathway. One, two, three, four, five. Let's assume there's a road here also. Nine. So trim. So extend. Let's extend this down here like this. So fillet this and say okay. You can see what I'm doing, right? So this is offset 9,000. It's great. So, okay, this is it. This is perfectly 9,000. So which means we have our road here. Okay, so let's see. So train. Sorry, let's extend this first of all. Extend EX extend TRO is train. Okay, so F from here to here. So let's train this and say okay, this is going off. So let's bring this out. Train. So fillet here. Um, so let's say this is our main layout and we are not done here. So let's just create this here as like this. So this will be facility. Okay, so let's see. So offset 15,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So extend again. So now you can see what I've created mini layouts. Okay, so let's say this is our estate that we are working with. Now let's number the plots. Okay, text. Um, this is plot one. Now obviously the text height is too small here, so let's increase it to like 500. So oh, it's still too small. It's not visible, so let's make it like 1,500, 3,000. Okay, now we are seeing it that it's visible. So one, two, three, four, five, six. So let's just say this that's plot one, two, three, four, five. Let's just say this is the neighborhood park, for instance, where everyone comes to rest. So let's say okay, these are block one, two, three, four, five. So five. So this is block one, block two, six. Let's put this. Six, seven, eight, nine, nine, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So okay, now let's see. So now this is our block. These are plots, right? Then right here we are going to have let's see what I'm going to put. Let's this is the water facility or something. Okay, so now let's just do a quick hatching of the layout. So hatch. I'm going to be using since this is going to be using row. This is our row. So but I don't like this color, so let me just make it hatch. Okay, now let's make plots. Let's since let's make them I can make this solid, right? Since it's so I want to make my plots brown hatch. So let's say one, two, three, four, six, seven, eight, nine. I'm going to change this to by layer. So let's say this is a block. So I can take this modify take to back since it's too sharp. I can send to back, which means when I send to back, I'll be seeing my lines, right? I feel this is too solid. Okay, I can change the pattern. Let me change the pattern then. Don't like that pattern. Let me just make it solid. Then take again, send to back. If you feel it's not visible enough, or probably the color is too harsh, you can use a lighter color. Okay, so let's use this color. I think this is much more visible, right? So in that note, we have created our blocks, like our plot. So let's make this green patch. I'm going to make work with vegetation here. So let's just say, okay, this is the waterworks. We don't have anything that has to do with yellow, but let's just put yellow here. So now I've created a layout. So this is how to create a simple layout plan. Just for all you just have to do is apply your tools that you have been and that you have worked with. But you can create whatever design you want to create. All you need to do is just work with your tools. Okay. This is just a mini layout plan for our class. So in the next video, we are going to see how to plot. That will be the last class for this training. So see you guys in the next video.